Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. Alishanmao here. Welcome to another video of flight testing the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro. As the new features have just been released and I was planning to come out, but yesterday I was too busy and was catching up with my project of 3D printing a full-size boat, designing some new kayaks that I'm gonna 3D print full-size, and the videos will be on my channel. Windy day, hot, bright, sunny day. I have to stand under the shadows. I just replaced the battery of a Hubsan Zino Mini Pro. I hope you can see it. The DJI Osmo Pocket is showing too bright that way, but it's here. I just changed the battery. I'm riding my motorcycle today. So what I'm gonna do is, just push the quadcopter all the way to those mountains over there straight, so I will have a line of sight between antennas and quadcopter. I'll record the screen as well, and I will also record the video on quadcopter in 1080p only. Okay, wish me luck. Hope the quadcopter comes back.
Non-obstacle avoidance mode. Please fly with caution. Suzuki. Honda.
It's pretty boring. I'm just holding the full stick forward, normal flight mode, 9 meters per second probably, still going, 100 meters altitude and 3 kilometers away. We still have glitch-free solid video link, as you can see on the screen. 83% battery. Let's see when the battery will say that I should return to home. Probably I can hit 4 or 5 kilometers and then come back.
Whoosh! Shakalaka! Yee-haw! Ah! Yeah!
Almost there. Lot of GPS interference. 4.8 kilometers away. I have a slight jerky video. Slight jerky video. I put the hand slightly up. Video got jerky, but I am at 5 kilometers. Come on, come on, come on. Update it. 4994, 5 kilometers. Okay, time to come back home.
Return to home. Signal poor. Please adjust the antenna. Signal poor. Please adjust the antenna. Signal poor. Please adjust the antenna. Cancel return. Signal poor. Please adjust the antenna. Signal poor. Please adjust the antenna. Non-obstacle avoidance mode. Please fly with caution. Cancel return. Signal poor. Please adjust the antenna. Signal poor. Please adjust the antenna. Signal poor. Please adjust the antenna. Low battery warning. The drone is under return to home soon. Low battery warning. The drone is under return to home soon. Return to home.
Tired of flying, and at 1.8 kilometer I activated RTH because going 5 kilometer was not an issue. I had issues with the video freezing at 4.8, give or take. After 4.5, little bit, and then 4.8 got serious. 5 kilometer was okay coming and going, but when I turned the head towards myself to come back, then things started getting really freaky, and it scares me that if I will get the drone back or not. So what I did is, did somebody burn fire there? Anyway, I'll go check. What I did, I just hit the RTH, and when it was around 3 something kilometer, I started getting good video feed, and I took control and flew it on a sports mode, fast to reduce the distance between me and the drone. And the closer it got, the better the video feed got. And finally, I'm tired of flying, so 1.8 kilometers, somehow I just, activated the auto return to home because my fingers tired pushing the throttle all the way forward. So I'm gonna put my radio on my bobber right there, and accept my apology that many out there actually kept requesting a long-range test, but because of the current restrictions on flying camera drones, it's getting very restricted here. So I kept doing some research and kept collecting information, and I was finally on the conclusion that if I fly over the river straight to those mountains, it shouldn't be any issue because there's no sensitive area here over the river. And I'm glad that those mountains, there's a high-speed train going that track. I didn't even cross that track. That is after 5 kilometers. So I did the 5-kilometer flight, and I believe the drone is back and it should be landing now. So enjoy, and if you have any more requests to test on Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, please put it in video description, and I'll do my best to schedule those tests and bring those to you. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.